MycoSafe South is an European-African partnership for safe and efficient use of mycotoxin mitigation strategies in sub-Saharan Africa.
Did you know that one of the greatest threats to global food safety originates from a natural source? Mycotoxins, which are poisons produced by fungi, cause cancer, suppress the immune system, and retard growth. The majority of the world's food crops are contaminated by these highly toxic substances. Cereals, bakery products, nuts, fruit, herbs and spices, cocoa, milk, coffee, tea, wine, beer, they are all predominantly contaminated. The incidence is therefore a danger to human health and an important source of food waste. The most affected crops are those being produced in low and middle income countries. In 2016, during a severe mycotoxin outbreak, vast numbers of Tanzanian children and elderly people died from consuming homegrown maize, containing mycotoxin levels up to 1,000-fold of the EU maximum level.
So mycotoxins are fungal poisons, which need solutions from farm to fork. In Africa, susceptible foods are mainly contaminated with aflatoxins and fumonisins that are consumed by humans, but also livestock is fed on contaminated and spoiled feed. This negatively affects their health and performance, and on top of that, their food products, such as milk and eggs, might be contaminated too and might be consumed. The objectives of MycoSafe South are to identify safe use options for aflatoxins and fumonisins contaminated food and feed, based on post-harvest intervention strategies. This is to reduce animal and human exposure to mycotoxins and to promote education and awareness about mycotoxin health risks in animals and humans. We are a consortium that is coordinated by Ghent University in Belgium and the MyTox South platform. We have partnerships with 9 different organizations, and 5 of them are located in Africa, in Kenya, South Africa and Ethiopia, and 4 of them are located in Europe, in Belgium, Norway, Austria and Scotland. One of our main results and innovations is the availability of efficient food processing techniques decreasing mycotoxins contamination. This is based on sorting, washing and nixtamalization. Nixtamalization involves the soaking and cooking of maize or other grains in an alkaline solution, like calcium hydroxide we tested. The use of this nixtamalization recipe for maize and sorghum resulted in a 100% reduction of fumonisins. Another result and innovation is the use of efficient feed additives, decreasing aflatoxins in milk of African dairy species. We studied Boran cattle and also crosses of Boran and Friesian cows, and found that the use of bentonite clay in cattle feed results in a 60% reduction of aflatoxin M1 in milk. Our results are communicated to stakeholders and small-scale farmers, like shown here in Soweto with the Izindaba Sokutla Farmers Lab. This is Zulu language for conversations about food. Other examples of trainings and workshops are shown here with YouTube movies on mycotoxins and best practices in sub-Saharan agriculture, or laboratory workshops to learn about mycotoxin analysis in food and feed. So we are convinced that effective mycotoxin mitigation strategies contribute to food security, food safety and sustainability. And if you would like to have more information, you can contact us through the following channels. Thank you very much.